Going on, guys? This is Sequels on YouTube. This is Thinking in JavaScript. In this program, we are going to learn and solve exercises to improve our knowledge in JavaScript and help us think in computer programming and build amazing programs with it. And in this video, we are going to write a program that's going to find the area of a rectangle. And this is a simple mathematical concept. We are going to start and solve many mathematical concepts in the videos I'm going to make along. So applying those mathematical concepts can help you think, because they are two logical things, which is computer programming and mathematics. So both of them added together are going to boost your thinking and creativity in computer programming. Now the area of a rectangle, the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So we're going to create a variable for length, for breadth, and we're going to multiply it. A is equal to L times B in JavaScript form. And artificial intelligence has given us a question. Google Gemini gave me the question right here. Given this question, you have a rectangular garden, blah blah blah. I pasted this question here, so let's read it and solve it. You have a rectangular garden that is 7 meters long. If you want to plant flowers along a flower bed that runs the entire 7-meter length, and a flower bed needs a width of 1.5 meters to accommodate all the flowers, what is the total area of the flower bed in square meters? So you want the answer in square meters. And the values are already in meters. So we have to define the values. So the first value we're going to get here is the rectangular garden, the length of the rectangular garden. So we are going to define length of the garden equal to 7. It is already in meters. We are not going to convert it into anything else. We are going to find the breadth. Let's breadth of the garden equal to 1.5. That is the breadth, which is the width of the garden or the breadth. Now we are going to find the answer. What is the area of a rectangle for the garden? And the area of rectangle, as we said, is area is equal to length times breadth. And we have our length to be 7, our breadth to be 1.5. So I'm just going to create a variable that means let area of garden of rectangular garden equal to length of garden times breadth of garden. Now console.log, I'm going to log it. Console.log area of the rectangle test square. I'm going to just type, let's just write in square meters. We cannot add a symbol right here, so square meters like this. Now let's save this and run it. Mine is Alt plus Control plus N. Yours can be also run button or Control plus S. Just run it. So when we run it, it has given us the answer. So the area of rectangle for the garden is 10.5 square meters. Good. You have solved your first algorithm with JavaScript, or a first question with JavaScript. Watch out for my next videos because we're going to solve more mathematical concepts in JavaScript, going to boost your knowledge in JavaScript to be able to understand it deeply how it works. I'm going to see you in the next video.